We have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz C 4Matic with front end collision damage. Some damage to the radiator support. The apron, left side apron. Frame rail has some damage here. The engine starts. The vehicle drives. Airbags are deployed. Fender looks okay. Headlight, I think all the tabs are good. Probably use it. Windshield is broken. These doors look okay on this side. They line up pretty nice. Panoramic roof. I'm sorry, it's a C43. Actually, it's not a C43. Those are just badges. It's a C300. I could tell from the motor. C43 would have a red engine cover and be a 6-cylinder. This one's a 4-cylinder. It just has the AMG wheels, side skirts. I apologize for the mistake I made, but it is a C300. This is the interior. Pretty nice. Looks like the curtain airbags were deployed. The 2 forward airbags are deployed. Also the knee airbag. Seat airbags are intact. Left front fender has some damage. The vehicle does start and drive. It'll be on the website real soon. Pricing, title type, I believe is a Salvage. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we'll keep the content coming. Thanks.